What's up everybody, it's Young and welcome to Hong Kong. And I'm in my little secret corner because I want to introduce to you guys some exciting products. Today I have variable ND filter 69 stock, and you guessed it, it's Peter McKinnon edition. In the honor of Peter McKinnon, I decided to dress up like him. Oh, I'm so excited to open it together with you guys. It comes in a slip, and there you have it. It looks a little bit like cigar box. Oh, look at this. Peter McKinnon's beautiful photo. Ta-da! Wow. Super luxury, right? In a beautiful magnetic case. Peter McKinnon signature right next to PolarPro logo. Next is of course the filter itself, right? Ta-da! And it's currently wrapped in Defender Slim cover. This ND filter is so slim. To give you maximum protection, it's really hard at the front and it's soft at the circumference. On either side, for your convenience, they have the numbers. For the very maximum protection, inside the magnetic case, all you need to do is just put the filter with the Defender slip cover and close it. Perfect fit for maximum protection of your luxury filter. Underneath, there is soft case as well. And inside looks like this. They also give you microfiber cloth with Peter's photography. Really pretty. And some stickers and reference chart. And PolarPro, of course, gives lifetime warranty. So now let me put on the PolarPro filter. Sony Alpha 6400 and with Sigma 60mm f1.4.
In the next video,
I want to tell you 3 examples where you would find this filter really handy. But first, let me get my coffee. It's actually bubble tea. I don't really drink coffee because it gives me a little bit of caffeine boost and I get a bit too pumped. So I'm just gonna enjoy my black sugar bubble tea. So good.